Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and I'm excited to introduce the Yoder Smokers El Dorado Santa Maria style grill. Designed and built from the ground up by our friends at Yoder Smokers, the El Dorado delivers the ultimate experience in live fire cooking. Modern Santa Maria style grills provide a great way to cook and entertain large groups of people, but more importantly, they allow you to truly connect with the food and the cook. The crackle of the fire, the smell of the smoke, the live fire experience gives you a primal connection to your food. When it comes to the El Dorado, there are several key features that set this grill apart. The first is the double wall firebox construction. At the heart of the firebox is a 10-gauge steel tub that's lined with 1 3/4 inch fire brick with a 12-gauge outer shell. The air gap in between isolates the heat from the outer surface of the grill. This all adds up to excellent heat retention as well as improved safety. Adding fuel to the fire is easy with a fully insulated drop-down door with a full-length handle across the front. You'll also find air vents and slide-out ash drawers below for keeping embers safely inside the grill. Next, you'll notice the arms are out of the way and arch from the back of the grill up to the operating mechanism, which consists of a 21-inch diameter cast hand wheel with an auto-stop ratchet system that holds the grill grates at the perfect height using heavy-duty elevator chain. We also have the steel rod anti-sway system for stability and safety. This system offers a full 15 inches of travel to raise and lower the cooking surface for temperature control. The heavy-duty V-grate grilling surfaces provide 810 square inches of cooking surface on the 36-inch model and 954 square inches on the 42-inch model. The grill grates are removable for easy cleaning, and stainless steel drip trays catch any juices or fat that runs off. There's enough surface area to bank your wood or charcoal to one side and create both direct and indirect cooking zones, or you can fill the entire space with coals for large cooks. Couple that with the ability to raise and lower the grilling surface, and you've got complete control over your temps. What I really love about this grill is the cooking experience. It's an opportunity to connect with the fire and the food. It's wildly entertaining and truly a beauty. Guaranteed to draw a crowd anywhere you put it. For more info and all the specs, head over to atbbq.com and check out the Yoder Smokers El Dorado. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.